Moria! What's up guys, my name is Elson. Welcome back to my YouTube channel with another episode. So today is Sunday and we are leaving for Mumbai. Bye. So we're leaving for Mumbai. We'll reach Mumbai by night, and so we will be taking a halt at a petrol pump. Right now I don't know how much range I have. Let's see. So I have 218 kilometer range, and the petrol pump is just like 50 kilometers away from the resort. Three of them who came in the car will be heading towards Goa. Some riders were supposed to stay back and okay, picture time. So some riders are supposed to stay back and visit Badami Caves, or I don't know exactly, but then they're also going back. Even I was supposed to stay, but then however I got some work, so I'm leaving. So the first guy was me who backed out, and then seeing me everyone started backing out. So yeah, stay tuned. So finally we have left, and we'll hit the road in some time. We are exiting the resort that we are staying. The resort name is Kanti Resort, where the event took place. So yeah, so we reached here on Friday. We checked in, and then they had the registration and stuff. A lot of things happened. Rock band came, then was called. After the rock band, DJ played for some time, and then we went to sleep. Again the next morning we woke up, and all the event took place, like dirt race and all this. Obviously I've uploaded this earlier in the series, the WCRM series, so you must have seen it, but then just giving a heads up and a reminder that what all we did. चलते चलते जाके बात करते हैं. अभी फ़िलहाल तो अभी जस्ट वार्म अप हो रहा है बाइक. मैंने ट्रिप 2 को 0 कर दिया, क्योंकि मुझे एग्जैक्टली देखना है कि कांति रिसोर्ट टू माई हाउस इज़ हाउ लॉन्ग. क्यों मैप में कुछ और दिखाता है और फिर ट्रैवल टाइम में कहीं कुछ और दिखाता है. सो दैट्स द रीज़न आई वांट टू सी इफ द मैप, गूगल मैप इज़ एग्जैक्ट और नॉट. So I hope you guys are doing well, and I hope you guys liking the video that I'm uploading. I know I haven't been ending the vlog because अभी मस्ती करने आया है, मस्ती करते हैं. जितना हो सकता है मैं vlog करता हूँ. So that is the reason, चलो catch up करता हूँ public से, and then I'll see you again. I guess this is some kind of river that has come. So we are taking a different route altogether this time, and we are not going the same way that we came, because that road was horrible. Apparently the route that we are taking right now is 80% nice and 20% is like bad. The weather is just amazing. Maybe it is due to the rains that is showing, or maybe it is raining, that's the reason the weather is good. But then the entire weekend, Friday, Saturday, it did not rain, and it was quite cool. Today while gearing up I was feeling little hot, but then now I'm feeling better because I got my jacket chain open, not fully but half, so that breeze goes inside the jacket and my t-shirt dries it. So this is the bridge. I guess this bridge only we crossed at night, not quite sure because it was night and couldn't see anything, but then nonetheless अभी देख लो मस्त है. राइट में भी, लेफ्ट में, और आगे पहाड़ पूरा एकदम मस्त. राइट, the road is beautiful, but then we have to be very careful while riding, because in Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, the drivers are very rough. They don't see, they don't think bikers are a thing on the road. They just overtake as they wish. So जिसका डर था वही हुआ. The sun is gone. A thick black cloud has come now. I don't know whether it's going to rain or not, but then hopefully it doesn't rain and just stays like this, because the weather is just good and we want to reach home, you know, nice, dry and not wet, because वो बहुत irritating हो जाता है. Wow, the sun is up. No rain. Woohoo! So this is kind of a dam. This guy is fishing here. Nice. And this is a quite long bridge actually. Whoa man, ऐसे रोड आने के टाइम में भी मिल जाता तो हम लोग क्या फटफट पहुंचते थे, फटफट. That day we literally took 19 hours to reach from Thane, not from Thane actually, the right side, from Kalamboli. So from Kalamboli till Karnataka, where we stayed the first night, it took us 19 hours to reach because the road was so bad. Fueled our petrol, full tank. Time right now is 11 o'clock and we have covered quite a distance now. And till now journey is good, road is good. I hope the road, this kind of road continues till the end. So hoping for the best. So now we are headed towards Solapur. So finally I've completed 1000 kilometers on my bike. Yeah, first milestone covered. So from Kanti Resort, we just completed 100 kilometers. So Solapur is more 49 kilometers and Pune is 299. So yeah, so I understood the route now. So from Solapur we'll go to Pune, and then from Pune Lonavala straight to Thane. So that's the update right now. We have completed 133 kilometers and my bike has completed 1039 kilometers. That's great, right? And time right now is just 11:58, so it's been like 2 hours or something. Not 2 hours, so 9:30 if we left, 9:30, 10:30, 1 hour, 11:30, 2. So it's been 2.5 hours that we left Kanti Resort and everything is going smooth. Yeah. It's 34 degrees, that's what is showing on my cluster, but then you don't feel because I'm riding and I'm getting cool breeze, so I'm all good. Welcome to Maharashtra. Whew. So finally we enter Maharashtra. Okay, so I guess we're stopping for a lunch break. Nice. Okay. What dhaba is this? Hotel Aviraj. So the place where we stopped, I thought we were stopping for lunch, but then no, we did not. We just stopped for a tea break. Now we just left, took around 45 minutes break, and now we again headed towards Pune. Time right now is 1:47 in the afternoon and we have completed total of 194 kilometers. It's getting hotter and hotter. We started the day with around 29 degrees. Now it's showing 36 degrees. So as we are getting closer and closer to Pune, it's getting hotter. Bike is giving amazing performance. Oh boy, it started raining. Oh shit. ये क्या हो गया भाई? अरे वो देखो ऊपर क्लाउड, ऐसे लग रहा है कि वहाँ पर बहुत ज़ोर से बारिश हो रहा है. And it's raining hard now. बारिश आया, बारिश गया. So as soon as first it was drizzling, so we were not stopping. Then all of a sudden एक बार में इतना जोर से आया, then we stopped. And I guess I captured that moment also. Then since there was a tea stall over there, we ordered for tea. By the time we finished tea, it's sunny again. The road is dry. We're about to reach Pune. As I mentioned, like before entering Pune, we will be refueling. So we stopped, had lunch, snacks, can say anything. Like I had dosa and onion uttapa along with 1 cup of tea. And time right now is 5:59 p.m. More 5 hours to reach Thane, like touchdown home. So let's see if we're going to take any other break or not. The total kilometer completed till now is 384 kilometers. So now we are all set. Now we have left now and on our way back home. But first we have to deal with a huge thing, that is Pune traffic. Let's see how much traffic we get, because we're expecting medium traffic because today is Sunday. Imagine if we had to come tomorrow on a Monday, it would have been a hectic for us. So that's the reason I made a decision of not staying back and come back home on Sunday. So hearing that, everyone took the same decision. So we have come inside Pune city and going through a lot of traffic. I'm deep fried right now, so I need to concentrate on the what's called traffic. That's the reason I'm not switching on my camera. But then yeah, I just switched it on and let's see what happens, how much I can concentrate. Let's shoot some Pune traffic. So finally got some empty road. I remember this road last year when I came to celebrate Tina's birthday in Pune. So we went back via this road. I remember the taking left right and then hitting the highway. Anyway, let's see where this leads. Obviously this will lead to the highway, unfortunately, but then yeah, I remember this road very nicely. B-Town Kid. B Town kid. B Bombay B. So finally at last at 7:46 p.m. we hit the highway, and I feel so good coming out of that stupid traffic of Pune. So finally we are all together now. Because of that Pune traffic, we were all separated. So the Deho Lonavala crossing is a common meeting spot where every time we all stop and have chai and all. So luckily everyone thought of it and stopped at that chai spot. So now we are headed towards Lonavala, and total distance to Thane is around 190 kilometers. Time right now is 8:35 in the evening or night, and it started raining. So I'm sure Lonavala will have heavy rain, so we put our rain liners so that we don't get wet. I did not put the rain pants because it is very difficult to wear it with the shoes. Hence everyone skipped wearing the rain pants. So now we have to be very careful while riding, because obviously it's not raining hard also, and it's just drizzling and making the road wet, which is a little dangerous for bikers as it slips. So now, and plus it is dark, so we're all riding slow. Anyway guys, let's see, I'll catch you up later because I need to concentrate on the road right now as it's dark and it's raining. So I need to see and ride. So yesterday in total we completed 595 kilometers from Karnataka to my house. So right now I'm going to get my bike washed. See you soon. So what's up guys, this is the next day. I reached home at around 11:30, 12 o'clock at night. So, and I didn't shoot after we left from that final meeting point, because it started raining heavily and I put my GoPro inside. So by the time I reached home, I was very tired. I had shower and I went to sleep. So woke up, time right now is almost 10 to 2 in the afternoon. So ending the vlog here. I hope you like the series, WCRM series, and if you're new to the channel, do subscribe and hit the bell notification on, and also do hit the like button as well, and comment down below which part or which episode you liked about the WCRM. So till then, take care, bye.